New case incoming. Hello and welcome back. Today we have a new case here. Be right back. Let's just put the microphone here. And yes, we have a new case. We have a new case here. It's the new MARSGAMING MCZW. Should I open it? I'm so curious how it looks, this case. I'm so curious. Because this case right here reminds me about a cool case from other marks. Now I'm very curious if it looks as good like the other one. Are you ready to see this case? I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Come on, get out. Get out. There you go. Should I do like in the last video? 10 points. Okay. Wow. I missed it again. I'm very curious how this case looks. If it looks like the other, it goes inside. Okay. Okay. This camera right here is not working very good. There you go. How it looks? It looks so good. Nice. 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 This is the first review you will see about this case. Good buttons, not bad. We have glass? Nope, we have plastic here. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside this case. I'm very excited. I'll do a fast review here because it's late and I have to go home as well. But yeah, I was expecting that it would be glass here, but it's plastic. It's plastic. Okay. Check this out. Okay. It's looking pretty good at inside. It's looking pretty good inside. It's a MicroATX case, so it's not very big. Come up. It's small, but it's beautiful. I really like this case. It's not heavy at all. So we have the air filter. Here we can put two 140 fans. Here we can put one fan 120 millimeters. has already installed two fans in the front. Nice filter here. We have a filter here. I will show it to this camera. You see, it's a filter here. And here it's metal. Very good idea, huh? There's nothing on the front of the case. We have two fans here, 120mm from MARSGAMING, I guess. And I guess you can put 3 fans here. Yeah. Yes, you can put 3 fans here. Nice, nice, very cool, very cool. I really like this case. Damn, it's so cool looking case. It's very cool. And it's not heavy. I need a power supply. I have a 500 watt power supply from Thermaltake. Now I need 2 screws. Have the screws here. That will be enough. 2 screws. Okay, let's put this inside. I want to see the fans, how they are working here. Okay. One. And 2. Very good, very good. Here are the fans. Let me check here. I want to see if the fans have any type of controller here. Here are the screws. I need to see all the cables. USB, audio. We don't have any controller on the fans. They are Molex. Now let's be honest, for the price of this case, I cannot pretend too much things. And yes, we have a lot of space for the cable management here. As you can see, it's like 2.5 centimeters here, which is pretty good. That's a lot of space for cable management. Okay, for the hard disk it's here or here. You have here the holes for the hard disk. You can put your hard disk here. The base for SSD, they are here, 2 bays for SSD. To be honest, MARSGAMING has done a great job here. Really good job. You really have a lot of space here for cable management. Nice. Oh wait. Yeah, I like the front of the case. It's very good looking front. I like it. Very nice, very nice. These guys made a very good job here. I'm impressed. To be honest with you, I'm very impressed. This is impressive, the work that they can do with this case. I love this case. To be honest with you, I love it. It's not heavy, it's not very big. For a MicroATX, this is the best choice, and it costs like 14 euros, something like that. I will check again the price. It's a very cool looking case. Now I need this. How it goes? Simple, very simple. I will put only 2 screws. This is the type of the case. You love it or you leave it. Connect the power supply cable. I think these fans right here, they are not the best. Very cool looking case. Yeah. Check this out. I have to make a build with this case, and tomorrow I promise you I'll make a build with this case. Stay tuned, because I will make a build these days. Tomorrow, I'm pretty sure tomorrow I'll make a build with this case. Yeah. Tomorrow I'll make a build with this case, and I will try to put five fans here. This is how it looks. No, so you cannot change the lights here. It's only working like that. You cannot change the color, you cannot do anything. So I prefer to change this fan. I'll put something else. So see you tomorrow, guys. I will make a video with this case. Tomorrow I will make a build. I will see what I have here, what processor, what motherboard. So I will make a build to see how. For the graphic card, I don't think there are any problems, because it's very large, the space here. Even for the processor fan, you can put a big fan here. But I will show you more tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a build on this case, because it deserves it.